Hey, what's going on YouTube? John with LXPlore. You know, I was trying to create a segment on Tuesday, and I was thinking like, oh hey, I'll do a segment called 2 Minute Tuesday. All the cool YouTubers are doing it, but then I started filming and I just can't keep it under 2 minutes. So it's just a Tuesday video, and this is what it's about. So what I want to do today is just kind of go off of some of the mail call that I get. I don't get mail very often. Most of the time I order my stuff, but I wanted to do a huge shout out to Fred's Roast. Now Fred's Roast is owned by a husband and wife in Tennessee. Matt Hogue is a YouTuber, vlogger, and I've been following him for probably the past few months, and he has a great vlog about how he moved from California out to Tennessee, and then he also has this delicious coffee. And a huge shout out to them, because when I purchased the coffee, they sent me this handwritten thank you note. Thank you very much, Matt and Babs. I appreciate the coffee, and I really appreciate the personalized note. Next on my list came from Wagon Life. Now Wagon Life also, this was unsolicited, but I follow their Instagram page and I use their hashtag Wagon Life, and they sent me a patch. And so I just threw that around. Whoa! So I'm gonna actually stick this patch in my LX470, and also they too sent me a personalized note, and I love that. That's old school. I really do appreciate that. My friends from LasFit sent me this 42-inch LED Lightbar. I haven't even opened it up yet. I'm planning on opening it soon. This light bar here is going to go on top of the LX470. A complete review of this light bar, as well as an install on how I install on that Prospeed roof rack. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm still going to wire up the light bar that I received from Vic Off-Road, and I have a bunch of other new products that I've added to the LX470. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you out on the trail.